फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय स्टार किड्स। दोस्तों, आज आपके सामने ये बच्चे हैज़ टू, हैव टू, हैड टू और विल हैव टू के सेंटेंस बनाने वाले हैं। जैसे हम कई बार सेंटेंस बोलते हैं, अगर प्रेजेंट की बात करें तो हम बोलते हैं कि मुझे चाय पीनी है, हमें बर्तन धोना है। पास्ट की बात करें तो उन्हें सुबह जल्दी उठना था, उन्हें खेत में काम करना था। अगर फ्यूचर की बात करें तो तुम्हें पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी, तुम्हें स्कूल में अच्छे मार्क्स से पास होना पड़ेगा, तुम्हें होमवर्क करना पड़ेगा। ऐसे सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए हम प्रेजेंट में हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैज़ टू, हैव टू का यूज़ करेंगे, और अगर इसका नेगेटिव बनाना है तो हम डू डस का यूज़ करेंगे। इसी प्रकार अगर पास्ट की बात करें तो पास्ट में हम हैड टू का यूज़ करेंगे, और अगर यहाँ पे हमें नेगेटिव या इंट्रागेटिव बनाना है तो हम डिड का यूज़ करेंगे, और जब डिड का यूज़ करेंगे तो जो हैड टू है उसको हम हैव टू कर देंगे। अगर फ्यूचर की बात करें तो फ्यूचर में हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल हैव का यूज़ करेंगे, और यहाँ पे अगर हमें नेगेटिव बनाना है तो हम विल और हैव के बीच में नोट लगा देंगे। चलिए आज हम इन बच्चों की प्रैक्टिस शुरू करते हैं।
Star Kids, today we are making sentence of has to, have to, had to and will have to. Please like and subscribe.
Please ask me question.
मुझे कार चलाना पड़ता है।
I have to drive car. I do not have to drive car. Do I have to drive car? Don't I have to drive car? In past, I had to drive car. I did not have to drive car. Did I have to drive car? Didn't I have to drive car? In future, I will have to drive car. I will not have to drive car. Will I have to drive car? Will I not have to drive car?
Welcome back to my Star Kid. My name is Yashado. Please anyone ask me question. मुझे स्कूल में नाचना पड़ता है। My question is मुझे स्कूल में नाचना पड़ता है। I have to dance in school. I do not have to dance in school. Do I have to dance in school? Don't I have to dance in school? In past, मुझे स्कूल में डांस करना पड़ता था। I had to dance in school. I did not have to dance in school. Did I have to dance in school? Didn't I have to dance in school? In future, मुझे स्कूल में डांस करना होगा। I will have to dance in school. I will not have to dance in school. Will I have to dance in school? Will I not have to dance in school? Thank you. Anyone ask me question? मुझे मोबाइल चलाना पड़ता है। My question is मुझे मोबाइल चलाना पड़ता है। I have to operate mobile. I do not have to operate mobile. Do I have to operate mobile? Do I not have to operate mobile? In past, I had to operate mobile. I did not have to operate mobile. Did I have to operate mobile? Did I not have to operate mobile? In future, I will have to operate mobile. I will not have to operate mobile. Will I have to operate mobile? Will I have to not operate mobile? Please anyone ask me question.
मुझे खेत में काम करना पड़ता है।
My question is मुझे खेत में काम करना पड़ता है। I have to work in the field. I do not have to work in the field. Do I have to work in the field? Don't I have to work in the field? In past, I had to work in the field. I did not have to work in the field. Did I have to work in the field? Did not I have to work in the field? In future, I will have to work in the field. I will not have to work in the field. Will I have to work in the field? Will I not work in the field? Please anyone ask me question. My question is मुझे स्कूल में पढ़ाना पड़ता है। I have to teach in the school. I do not have to teach in the school. Do I have to teach in the school? Do not I have to teach in the school? In past, मुझे स्कूल में पढ़ाना पड़ता था। I had to teach in the school. I did not have to teach in the school. Did I have to teach in the school? Did not I have to teach in the school? In future, मुझे स्कूल में पढ़ाना पड़ता होगा। I will be teaching the I will have to teach in the school. I will not have to teach in the school. Will I have to teach in the school? Won't I have to teach in the school? My name is Garima Yadav. Please anyone ask me question. मुझे सुबह उठना पड़ता है। माय क्वेश्चन इज मुझे सुबह उठना पड़ता है. I have to wake up in the morning. I do not have to wake up in the morning. Do I have to wake up in the morning? Don't I have to wake up in the morning? In past मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ता था. I had to wake up in the morning. I did not have to wake up in the morning. Did I have to wake up in the morning? Didn't I have to wake up in the morning? In future हमें सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ता होगा. I will have to wake up in the morning. I will do not wake up in the morning. Will I have to wake up in the morning? Will I not have to wake up in the morning?